Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic about light, its speed and light year. So let's begin. As we all know, light has a speed of 3 into 10 raised to the power of 8 meter per second or 3 lakh kilometer per second in vacuum. It means light travels 3 lakh kilometer in just 1 second. Why I said in vacuum? Because light reaches its maximum speed in vacuum. It is a very huge number. You can get an idea about this speed in a way that if you travel with this speed, you can go 7.5 times around the earth in just 1 second. But we all know nothing can travel with the speed of light. It's the speed limit of our universe, maximum speed that an object can achieve. Because at the speed of light, mass of an object becomes zero, so nothing can cross this threshold. So now let's see what is light year. As the name says, light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. It is basically a unit to measure the distances like meter, like kilometer. But the difference is that it is used to measure the large distances, like the distances between the planets, between the stars. Now the question arises that if we already have the meter and kilometer to measure the distances between the objects, then why would scientists introduce this another unit, that is light year, to do the same thing? Let us understand with an example. Suppose the distance between the two cities X and Y is 100 km. Why I choose kilometer? Because in another unit like centimeter, it would be 1 crore centimeter, which is a very huge number to deal with and get an idea about the distances between the cities. It means that the bigger the unit, the shorter will be the number, which makes it easy for us to deal with. Now if we make some calculations about the distance which the light travels, then we can see that light speed is 3 into 10 raised to the power of 8 meter per second and converts the upper, I mean to say numerator part in kilometer and denominator part in year. We can get a number that is 9.46 into 10 raised to the power of 12 kilometer. So light covers this much of distance in 1 year, which is called 1 light year. Let us assume two planets A and B which are 1 light year away from each other. If you go with the speed of light, you will reach from one planet to another planet in 1 year. But only light can travel with this speed. That's why definition of 1 light year is the distance that the light covers in 1 year. Also not only light year, but we have light minutes, light seconds also. Like if we see sun rays takes 8.5 minutes to reach the planet, it means light from the sun takes 8.5 minutes to reach the earth. So we can say sun is 8.5 light minutes away from us. If sun vanishes just now, then the earth will be in dark, but after 8.5 minutes. So light is a messenger which when carry a message and reaches to us, then only we can see the action happening. Now we have understood that light also take time to reach from one point to another point, like the other objects like bus, car, trains and humans. But this speed is very huge and the object around us are so close that we cannot absorb this time delay. But as the object moves away and away from us and goes into the outer space, we can absorb this time delay. Imagine a scenario where you have been sent to a planet which is at a distance of 200 million light year from our planet. With an advanced technology telescope, you can see what's happening on the earth from there. So what will you see on earth? You will see our 200 million year ago earth. You will see dinosaurs walking on the earth. As the light that is scattered by the earth 200 million year ago, carrying the message of the dinosaurs living on the earth, will today reach the planet. That's why dinosaurs will be seen. And today's action that is happening on our planet will be seen after 200 million years later from now on that planet. I hope you have understand the concept of the light year. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and for more interesting videos subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, so till then take care.